Let's look at some of the features that the people taking the user survey wanted to suggest for the redesign of the Discord app. I got a large volume of varying ideas from people who took my user survey about the Discord app, so I needed a concise way to organize and categorize all of those ideas. Let me take you through the process of creating an affinity map with all of the ideas that I got. First, let's just go through all the ideas and put them up on the board. Create an easier way to delete messages. Audio troubleshooting when connecting Apple AirPods. Mini games. Ability to collaborate on a shared whiteboard. Easier creation of Discord chat bots. Coding repository similar to GitHub. Platform to give and share presentations similar to Google Drive. Document collaboration suite similar to Google Drive. So here's the final idea board with all of the ideas compiled together. Let me come up with categories in order to organize them all. So here are the categories that I came up with. On the left-hand side is a column of educational and productivity-related ideas. So that includes coding repository, whiteboard, a platform to give presentations, and a document collaboration suite like Google Drive. In the middle column are ideas pertaining to Discord-specific features and making Discord easier to use, such as making it easier to create Discord chat bots and making it easier to see message notifications and mute certain messages and channels. And finally, on the right side column, there are miscellaneous ideas, such as audio troubleshooting when connecting AirPods to the Discord app, or mini games. In the process of affinity mapping, I got a lot of great insights into what people want to see in the redesign of Discord. The category that got the most suggestions and the greatest variety of suggestions was the productivity-based features. In fact, in terms of the coding repository idea and the document collaboration suite like Google Drive, multiple people suggested that same idea. So that's where I'm going to be focusing most of my efforts on.